students, it's our mathematics class, your primer book, and in our previous classes we learned about units and tens, right? We learned about units and tens, and today we will learn about names of tens. See, in units and tens I said that for 10 we can say it's 10, right? But for 20 it is also tens place, right? Tens. So tens name. Today we will learn name of tens. Name of tens, and all those names of tens we will learn today, okay? 10, 20. These are the names of tens. You have to write 10. That means it has 1 10. It has 1 10. Okay. For 20, we will write here 20. It has 2 tens. It has 2 tens. How many tens it has? See, there are pictures. For first picture, there are 10 dots in a round circle. So we will write 1 10, that is 10. 2 tens, that is 20. We can write here the name opposite direction. 30. Okay. For 30, we can write 3. 30. THIRT. Why? 30, for it will be how many tens? 30. See, there is number 3. So we will write here 3 tens. Now 40, that will be of course 4 tens, right? So it is 40. 40, that will be 4 tens. Okay. This is how you have to name. That means the first number is telling how many tens there are, right? So first there is 1, so it will be 1 10. Second there is 2, that will be 2 tens. Third there is 33. First number is 3, so it will be 3 tens. Next number is 4, that means it will be 4 tens, that is 40. There are 5 50, so it will be 5 tens. The number is 6, so it will be 6 tens. This is how you can find out all the names. You will read this page very carefully, okay? You will learn this page. And next, you have to fill in the blanks with the names. See, 1 is given. Okay, how you have to do that? I am just showing you. Fill in the blanks, page number 23. There are numbers given like 17, 16, not 16, 18, 23, 26, 32, 41. This is how numbers are given, okay? And there are tens place, 10. We can say tens place, and there are ones place. Okay, 2. Okay, 2 rows are given, 1 for tens place, 1 for ones place. I already told you how can you fill that, because there are 17, 1 and 7, 17, right? So you will put the 7 in ones place and 1 in tens place. That means this number has 1 10 and 7 ones. Okay. For 18, okay, I just missed one thing. Here I have to write the 17. Okay. 17, 1 in tens place and 7 in ones place. So this number has 1 10 and 7 ones. For 20, 23, 2 and 3, we will put 3 here and 2 here. So this 23 have 2 tens and 3 ones. For 26, 2 tens and 6 ones. For 32, 3 tens and 2 ones. For 41, 4 tens and 1 ones. Okay. So this is how you have to fill this page. That means for 23 page you will fill this page. This is how I show you. Okay. So do this page also. Thank you.